I'm David Golding. I've been buying and selling classic and modern cars here in Dublin since 1988.
Here we have a 1968 MGB ROADSTER, original Irish car. This car was lovingly rebuilt on a heritage shell around 30 years ago, I think 1989, 1990, even longer, by father and son. Done very little mileage since, 7,000 miles, beautifully put together. Top example of one of these. Inside, she's got the period leather, original steering wheel. I say she's just done 7,400 miles since it's been rebuilt. Really nice example. Drives as well as it looks. Lovely and solid in the boot. Still presenting in excellent condition after all these years. Here's the engine bay. The original bin plate has been reused. And the rest of the engine bay in fabulous condition. Here's the car with the weather equipment up. Soft tops in good condition. Clear rear screen and very taut. Let's take this for a drive. Starts on the button. It's 4-speed manual with overdrive. Cuts straight in. All the gauges working. Rev counter, speedo. Great oil pressure. Reading 75 psi when it's hot. Water temperature is normal. The car is really tight, as you'd expect. Briefly, so car 1969, original Irish car, maybe a 68, rebuilt in 1989/90 using a heritage shell, many new parts. It was shelved for many years after that. Just been on the road again 4 or 5 years ago. It's now done 7,440 miles since then. A lot of money was spent recommissioning it a couple of years ago. New tyres, service all round. Overdrive was repaired. The result is probably one of the tidiest MGB ROADSTERs on the road today. Synchros are all good. Handles nicely. Original period MGB steering wheel. Really just a nice one of these if you're in the market for a good MGB. So many tired ones out there, but here's a good solid car that's really just 30 years old and not 56.
I'm delighted to be Trustpilot's highest rated car dealer in Ireland today.